So in the last lecture we have started our lesson 1 of maths 1, that is sets. So today we are going to study exercise 1.1, question number 4. Okay, now see question number 4. Here write the following sets using listing method. You have to write the given sets in which method? Listing method. What is the other name for listing method? That is roster form. Okay, it's very easy. Read the question. Question is all months in the solar year. Okay, so what are the months of the solar year? 12 months are there. So first you have to write curly bracket. You will make curly bracket and now write all the months, 12 months. Here I have written 2, Chaitra, Vaishak, Ashad, and all that you will write all the 12 months and close it by again curly bracket. Now see this example. Letters in the word complement. According to the question, you have to write the letters of the word complement. So how we will write? First we write C, then you know these all are separated by the commas, then O, then comma, M, P, L, again you can see here L, after L what? E, comma, again M. Now you know that the repeated letters you will not write, you have to write what? Only once. So here this M will not be there, E is also repeating, so we will not write E also. Then N is there, N is not repeated, let's write N, and then T. So in this way you can complete question number 4. So read the question carefully what is asked, as it is asked that sum of a set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. So what are the prime numbers from 1 to 20? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, then 17, 19, as the question is up to 20. So in this way you can write question number 4. Now let's see question number 5. What is the heading? Write the following sets using rule method. This I already explained you how to write in the rule method. Let's again see. Now see question number 5. Write the following sets using rule method. I already explained you. First you will observe these numbers carefully and you will see what is the criterion of these elements, or what is the criteria behind this, or what is the property used here. Now as you can see here, this 1, 4, 9, these are what type of numbers are these? These are all the squares of any natural number. So you see 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3. So in this way you can see these all are the squares. Means what you will write? That A is the set of, you will take curly bracket, x such that x is equal to n square. See, square is fixed. As you know, all these are square numbers. Square is fixed. This n is any natural numbers which you have taken here. Means you see, I am changing this n. 1 square, 1. As you can see, 2 square, 4. So this n is changing, but 2 is what? Fixed. So x is equal to n square. Then you have to mention that this n, whatever you are taking, 1, 2, 3, 4, this belongs to which type of numbers? As this is 1 to 10, this all belongs to natural number. Now this n you have started from 1. So what you will write now? 1 is less than equal to n. This n is started from 1, less than equal to means n equal to 1 is less than equals to 10, and here equals. Okay. So n you have started from 1, you can see 1 square 1 and is equal to 10. Your last number is 100, 10 square is equal to 100. Or you can write this like this also. Somebody can write this also. 1 is less than equal to n is less than 11. Here I have not taken equal to sign. Okay. So this is your choice. But whatever you are writing the rule, it should match with your question. Okay. Now see your second one. B is the set of 6, 12, 18, 9, 24. Now see, tell me this 6, 12, 18. These all are what? These all are the multiples of 6. This is the table of 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. It means x equal to 6n. N is changing and 6 is fixed. So let's write. You can write here B is the set of all x. You can take any letter here. x such that x is equal to 6n. See, 6 is fixed, n is changing. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 6. So from 1 up to what you have taken? 6 8s are 48. Now you have to write that this n belongs to, as it starts from 1, so this n belongs to natural number. And again 1 is less than n is less than equal to what? 6 8s are 48. Or you can write it is less than 9. So whatever the property you are using, the rule, that rule should match with this listing numbers. Okay, so this is how to write in rule method. Okay.